What is good, y'all? YD here, back with another video. Just want to give y'all an update on the garden, man. Let me zoom back some. There we are. Look how crazy it's been going since the last time. But we got good news. It's gonna be a whole new area. It's about a home. So most of this stuff I will have a lot more. Let's just say that it'll be more abundant. I'm gonna go crazy with it. But let's check this out. It's my sunflowers. They start to get to that point where they kind of want to open up a little bit. One is really getting there. That one's really getting there. This one is still struggling on his way. Sweet potatoes, they're going crazy, stretching out, vining out. My jalapeno peppers, we got more coming, man. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5. Strawberries, strawberries, man. They ain't been doing what they supposed to lately. I don't know what's going on with them, but they ain't been flowering no more. My son's plant finally got like a little bud on top, so that's doing this thing too. Tabasco peppers, just waiting on them to turn colors, man. Them things is still green. And then that's our broccoli right here. Broccoli, I wonder if it has some type of nutrients deficiency with the leaves turning colors and all. But these are cantaloupes. They haven't really done too much. And then we got our watermelon. Got one growing in right here. I had to, what they call, pollinate it. So we're gonna see if it gets bigger, it's gonna grow or what. I haven't seen any other ones. I try to mess with this one. This one it's done. It ain't doing nothing. But all in all, we're looking good here. Let's tune back in with us next time. Shoot, next time we might be somewhere else. Or we will be somewhere else, I should say.
1 week later, 1 week later, 1 week later.
What is good, y'all? YD here, back with another video. I know I've been gone. It's been so long, man. New things on the rise, man. I moved, got a new spot, got all this beautiful land, you know what I'm saying? So the garden's about to go crazy. Before I was renting, now I'm owning stuff, you know what I'm saying? We about to go crazy with the gardening. Let's check and show y'all what we've been up to. I know it's been a while. This is our sweet potatoes right here. Get these yellow ones off. They just fall right off. But this is our sweet potatoes. As you see, they vining out quite nicely, doing their thing. Over here, as y'all can see, this is my son's plant. This is what he brought home from school. Remember how little it was? This is it now. Look at the flowers that's growing, bro. I want to say they're called marigolds. I'm not sure, but yeah. Over here is our peppers, man. Our Tabascos. We got red ones, green ones. Got some transitioning. But stay tuned for that hot sauce video. We are still doing hot sauce. Over here. Uh-oh, look at this. What is that? What is that? Why does that look like a cucumber, bro? I thought these were watermelons. I think they are watermelons, but they just growing differently, man. It's my first time growing this variety of watermelon. I believe so. But got plenty growing. One thing I like about this area, it has a lot of bees. I've noticed a lot of different type of bees. So a lot of our stuff is getting well pollinated as they should. Look at this boy down here. You sure these ain't no cucumbers? Could have sworn I just grew watermelon and cantaloupe. This look like straight cucumbers. But anyways, this is our cantaloupe over here. I've been trying to stay up to par on this. It's the only one that I see that's, you know what I'm saying, but The flower has not opened up yet, so I can't pollinate it. I don't even know if it's been pollinated, but that's one of the fruits on there. I don't see no other fruits, or female parts I should say. But as you see, it's vining out nicely. It's going crazy. Just gave him some plant fertilizer. This is our sunflowers. These are our sunflowers. This one's growing too. So we lost one. So when I moved everything over here, the move was kind of hard for all the plants. I don't know if it was just the new air or the new sun or what, but it didn't like it at all. And most of everybody's still okay. Over here, these are strawberries. Now, one thing I did see that's kind of odd. See this one, these are the same strawberries, I believe. That's just my old one. I think this is my older strawberries right here. I can't remember. But I replanted a new batch of strawberries, and then my old batch of strawberries. These ones got pink flowers on them. And then look, we got some strawberries coming in. And these ones got white flowers on them. And it's also with my aloe plant. You can see how big that thing is. Oh, I'm gonna drop my phone. You see how big that thing is getting. That thing is getting nice and huge. Next, our jalapenos. Look at that. It's a nice size jalapenos, man. They gonna get chopped up, put into the hot sauce too. Now, look at this bad boy. It's been going through it. So I did my research on this broccoli, and come to find out it don't like the sunlight too much. Or I should say the heat from the sun. And it's been really hot. So as you can see, it's been going through it, but it's still thugging. It's still growing. So I believe like maybe towards the end of the summer, maybe towards fall, it's gonna start doing what it's supposed to be doing. We just gonna have to maintain it. As you can see, it's still kicking it. But I'm also gonna be growing other stuff too. Y'all stay tuned for that, for sure. But appreciate y'all for tuning in as always. And until next time, y'all, I'm out.